Recently, Chatgpt was launched, and I want to believe you are aware of it, but that is not where I'm going. It's going to be short but very important discussion I want us to have on the tale of intended consequence. AI industry now is witnessing drop in market share price, and some players in it are having to the extent of 15% drop as I speak in their share valuation and market share price. This is the tale of unintended consequence, and I want to believe that the founder of ChatGPT does not intend that, but disruption actually will disrupt again, over and over again. How can we adapt and adopt this to a professional life? And that is the aim of this video. Basically, we need to always scan for changes in our environment, and to the best advantage of those that are coming or just coming into an industry. You need to scan before you put resources in form of your lifetime work into it, especially. And those of us that already found ourselves in a particular industry, we need to ensure that we are not sitting on our laurel. We are always scanning, always pushing forward, always taking territory and pioneering. Because if we are not pioneering, we need as much as possible to go into what is pioneered on time, because those that follow the flows early enough, they take advantage that those that lag behind. So we need to scan that industry. I once met a person that was telling me about his story, how he was actually to study for a particular course, but after the first semester he observed he was to follow and do field work, and the first week field work he observed that something was actually not what he expected, and he questioned the industry, he questioned himself that, is this where I'm coming to? Is this what I'm going to be practicing and the like? And he took a decision and changed the course. And when I met him, I actually met him in as a different professional, and he was telling me that obviously he would have been this, but he changed because he scanned his environment, he listened carefully to his environment, and he took decision on time. Of course, some people ended up doing better even in the industry that he rejected, but it pays him that he noticed early in life and he changed it and moved forward. And that is where I'm going. As a professional, we must not sit on our laurel. We must do all we need to do, and having done all we do, we must take proactive decision. From GJAMES Associate Channel, Gbenga Olatunji FCA, we are value to life, we are value to your businesses.